You ready, soldier?
Don't call me that.
How's it going, everyone? In this video, we're going to show you how we built this concrete block staircase. These blocks are poured to look like natural stone slabs, and they have a really elegant look, so enjoy the video. Good morning. Good morning. Back here, day three. We got 8 steps in the back and 4 steps out front in 2 days, so we're looking good. We're going to try to get the rest of these 8 steps set in today. Benny knows that we can do it. He's got no doubts about it.
It's already 12 steps in, or something like that.
Yep, 12 out of 20. We're more than halfway.
Flying.
Yep. You can just look at it. Okay, we got our hole dug. We are all set. Did our measurements. We needed about 12 feet going that way. And we are probably 15 inches lower than the grade down there because the soil has mostly clay. And then if it's not clay, it's kind of like a loam. So we kind of went further than we usually do. We usually do like 8 to 10 inches, but we went a little deeper just to be safe. So we're gonna put a layer of 3/4 inch crushed stone on the bottom there, compact it in, and then we're gonna let this fabric go and send it down the rest of the way and backfill. You ready, soldier?
Don't call me that.
Sorry. That's how you know it's clay. When it's bouncy, yep. You think if you just sent that, it's gonna roll money?
What?
That roll?
Maybe.
Send it, dude. Let's see what happens. You're live. Lights, camera, action. Hey, you got almost 50% of the way. Not bad. So as I was saying, with the clay-like subsoil, we ended up excavating down to about 15 inches below the top of grade. So what we're going to be doing is backfilling in lifts. We're going to do 3 lifts of 5 inches, and in between each lift will be a layer of geogrid to help lock the stone together. And this is just going to help with any kind of water drainage and permeation into the subsoil. It's going to give it more room for the water to collect as it slowly drains through the clay. Clay does hold back water way more than a sandy subsoil, but it will still accept water, but very slowly. So over excavating and putting more backfill material in than you would normally do is the remedy to that in a clay-like soil condition. I also get questions here and there about how I would prep the base for a paver driveway, and this is along the lines of what I would do. I would excavate further down than I would for a normal project, and I would backfill in lifts of 4 to 5 inches with a heavy compactor. You want to compact each lift, and then layer geogrid, or what they call drive grid, in between the backfill stone layers, and that's going to help stabilize all your crushed stone and make it so that vehicular traffic can drive across the pavers with no sinking or shifting of the base stone in the future. That geogrid helps lock everything together.
Nicely done.
Oh. I'm going to shift this side back a little bit and then over a little bit. Do the wobble test. Yeah, we need to hit the back a little bit, I think. Or I don't know, what's our slope here? But that's 1 inch of slope. That's my finger, dude. Tip of my finger. It's perfect. So
Smack it in the center, so probably.
yeah, I'd say just nestle it in. I'll try to nestle it in a little more. Put them in the back, Benny. pretty good. It's good. I like it. Alright, Ben's back. We got some more stone. 3 steps are in. That one's prepped. We got geogrid laying there for us to set our next step onto. You ready, bud? Ready. And I think that one that you're holding needs to go to my left thumb. I don't need one in the back, but that left thumb looks like it's not gonna hit in time. Yeah. Oh, yeah. No.
I think it's good.
Yeah, it's not bad. Oh, boy. Don't fall, baby. Wow, that looks pretty good.
I think so.
I think that looks better, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's good too.
Why don't you check it out from the top, Benny? Tell me what it looks like looking down. Like the way top, but right there. That's good, right? So I think you guys get the basics of laying these steps. It's just backfilling and doing the procedure the right way over and over again. Repetition really teaches you a lot. The more steps you install, the better you're going to get at installing them. This was a great project. I'd love to know in the comment section below what you guys think. If you didn't see the previous videos, make sure you check out the link in the description below to bring you to the full playlist of all the videos from this project. Guys, we're done. I know we skipped a lot of steps, but this project got to a point where we just had to put the camera down and get it wrapped up. But it's done. And here we are. Excellent. Came out excellent. A lot of open bed space, but next spring be able to fill it in with some plants, get some color in these beds, and man, will it pop out nice. This is all loomed and seeded, so that'll be grass. So that came out excellent. Let's check out the back. Here's the back steps. Stepping stone, then the steps, some mulch, and again we'll be able to put some plants on the side of it in the fall. I mean in the spring. The steps that are here now. And the railing. That's coming out. And we are shifting the staircase over. Our excavation mark is set to a little over 50 inches to give us some extra excavation on each side of the steps. This whole top area is loomed and seeded, so that will be grass, nice and level area right before you go down the steps. Those steps came out amazing. This is what we're looking like from the top view. Very sketchy. It's always hard to tell on these GoPros, but the grade is very significant. Cut the Said those steps came out awesome, guys. Fun job, fun video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, hit that like and subscribe. But until the next video, God bless. Peace. Say goodbye, Benny.
Bye.